yogi friends. I just wanted to do a little clarification about some of the differences out there between what I might just say is mindfulness, meditation, pranayama, yoga nidra, and what I'm just going to call yoga meditation. See, these are all practices that look really, really similar. You might be sitting, you might be focusing on your breath, you might be following a visualization. So what's the difference between them anyways? Well, here it is. The difference is your intention. So there are many practices out there which really are focusing on pacifying the nervous system. This is a great thing. Yay, relaxation response as coined by Herbert Benson. You focus on one thing and then you get rid of all the other stuff. You return to that thing. And that's what we call, like Herbert Benson's relaxation response. We might call that a kind of meditation. Yay. And what that can do is that helps us to calm the nervous system down and get us out of that fight or flight stress response and into something which is calmer, which is awesome. Pranayama, I would classify as pranayama, the control, restraint, or expansion of prana in the body. So what makes these things different is the intention. It's what we're trying to do with the practice, even if the practice looks the same in all these different things. So in pranayama, we're generally controlling the breath, right? Yeah. So in a yoga nidra, you're often being led through a visualization, if you will, and you often have a sankalpa or an intention, and it's to root that intention into your subconscious, and you go on this really weird journey and most people fall asleep. Awesome. I think that also pacifies the nervous system, but it's really to kind of get into your hardwiring and set an intention. Probably yoga nidra people, please jump in because that's not my specialty. So if you have something else, put it, in the comments. But all of these things, right? Mindfulness, being in the present moment, being awake and aware. Those are all awesome and they may impact our nervous system. They may involve our breath. But what I would classify as a yoga meditation, the intention of a meditation that is a yoga meditation is to connect you with the absolute. It is to connect to the divine. It is to bring our soul into greater contact, awareness, or to merge, combine, yoke with the great soul, the absolute, right? So it's to get beyond our habitual conditioning and connect with something which is bigger. So I mention that just because I want you to know and be super clear about what your intention is for your meditation or pranayama practice. Are you like de-stressing yourself, working with your nervous system, calming things down so that you can be more awake, aware, happy, compassionate, loving person? Are you working to set a subconscious intention and kind of get into your own hardwiring? Are you working to move prana in your body and have an energetic experience? Or are you working to connect with, could we say, God? Are you working to connect with the absolute? So I just wanted to mention that because I think that it's useful for us to know as practitioners and teachers why we're doing what we're doing. So even if the practice, this is the crazy thing, even if the technique looks the same, there's a different intention. And so we can really bring our heart and awareness to that.